Hello everyone. Welcome to the Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, find the best geofencing solutions, discuss the social media spy methods, and fight cyberbullying together. In this video, we will tell you how to use the best Pokémon Go location spoofer to become a Pokémon master. Pokémon Go is a game that requires you to explore different locations and catch various Pokémon. However, not everyone has the time or the opportunity to walk around and find them. That's why some players use Pokémon Go spoofing methods to fake their location and catch Pokémon from anywhere. We will show you how to use Pokémon Go location spoofer tools for Android and iOS devices to play Pokémon Go without moving and become a Pokémon master. So keep watching the video till the very end because we will show you how to play Pokémon Go without moving. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Part 1. Can I play Pokémon Go without having to move? Pokémon Go is a game that makes you travel to different places and catch various Pokémon. But some Pokémon fans don't have the chance or the time to move around and find them. That's why some players want to know how to play Pokémon Go without moving. Pokémon trainers from all over the world wish to catch Pokémon from their home. We will explain how you can use Pokémon Go spoofing tools for Android and iOS devices to fake your location and catch Pokémon from anywhere. You will also learn how to become a Pokémon master using Pokémon Go location spoofer apps without walking. However, before you start using Pokémon Go spoofing methods, you should be aware of the risks involved. Niantic, the developer of Pokémon Go, has strict rules against such tools, and if you are caught using them, you can face serious consequences. Niantic has a policy called the 3-strike discipline policy that outlines the types of behavior that can get you banned from playing the game, and using Pokémon Go location spoofer apps is one of them. The policy gives you 3 chances. The first time, you will get a warning message but still be able to play. The second time, your account will be suspended for a month. And the third time, your account will be permanently banned. After the 3rd strike, you will never be able to play Pokémon Go again. So, make sure that you really want to use Pokémon spoof tools and choose a reliable one. Part 2. How to play Pokémon Go without moving on iOS. Generally, users have a hard time figuring out how to walk in Pokémon Go without walking. However, we have the perfect solution for this dilemma of Pokémon trainers. Dr. Phone. Virtual location. With the help of this reliable location spoofer, you will be able to move around easily without being detected. It can even alter your speed to ensure that you won't get detected as a spoofer. And the Pokémon Go app works as you want. Here are some key features of Dr. Phony Virtual Location. Simulate GPS location. Change your iOS device's GPS location to any desired location. Play location-based games. Enjoy games like Pokémon Go by virtually moving to different areas. User-friendly interface. Easily set a virtual location and simulate movement. Predefined locations. Choose from a list of predefined locations or search for specific addresses, cities, or landmarks. Custom routes. Create custom routes with multiple waypoints for realistic movement. Responsible usage. Adhere to the app and game terms of service to avoid penalties or account suspensions. No jailbreaking required. Use the feature without the need to jailbreak your device. Steps to play Pokémon Go without moving iOS. To do this, the first step is downloading and installing the software on your computer or Mac. After a successful setup, follow the guide here. Step 1. Launch the application software and select the virtual location feature. Connect your iPhone with the software and agree with the terms of use. Step 2. On the next screen, you'll see the map with a search box on the top. Look for any location in the search bar and click on it to adjust the PIN. Step 3. Finally, press the Move Here button to finalize the location you want to move. Once you've set the new location, launch Pokémon Go on your iPhone, and it will detect the same location specified through Dr. Phone Virtual Location. Now, you can enjoy playing Pokémon Go without any restrictions. Part 3. How to play Pokémon Go without moving on Android. On Android, there are also various options available for location spoofing. So here we have listed down 3 of them to help you play Pokémon Go without moving. 1. Fake GPS free. Using a fake GPS tool is something that would allow you to play Pokémon Go without moving. Here, we'll discuss a tool called Fake GPS Free. You can find this tool in the Google Play Store. Get the app and use it as follows. Step 1. Enable the mock location feature on your Android device from the developer options beforehand and select the fake GPS free app to detect the location for the device apps. Step 2. Now launch the fake GPS free app and search for a desired location. To mark that location, hit the play button and your device location will be marked. Step 3. Go to the Pokémon Go app on your device and refresh the location to reflect the location change. Start catching Pokémon in the area and move ahead without even stepping out of your house. 2. GPS joystick. People who want to learn how to play Pokémon Go without moving can consider the GPS joystick a great spoof. However, you will need a Google Play Services app version 12.6, 85 or lower that is installed on your device. If you have a higher version, then the process will get too complex for you. So, we will stick to the ones who can easily use the GPS joystick. Step 1. Get the app and choose it as the mock location app from developer options. Launch the app and go to its settings to toggle the enable suspended mocking feature. Step 2. Once the feature is enabled, open the Pokémon Go app and you'll be able to walk freely inside the app using the GPS joystick. Part 4. Other practical tips to play Pokémon Go without moving. Experiencing Pokémon Go without physical movement is possible through strategies like Pokémon Go spoofing, utilizing a Pokémon Go location spoofer. Here are concise tips for immersive gameplay. Incense and lure modules. Use items like incense or lure modules to attract Pokémon to your spot, enhancing encounters without moving. Gym battles and raids. Engage in nearby gym battles and raids, avoiding the need to travel for participation. Buddy Pokémon and candy. Set a buddy, earn candy by walking virtually, and avoid physical movement. Remote raid passes. Employ remote raid passes for distant raid battles from your current location. Pokémon trading. Trade Pokémon with active players to expand your collection without moving. Pokémon events. Utilize events for increased spawns and bonuses, progressing without changing locations. Community engagement. Connect with Pokémon Go community via social media or online platforms for updates, enhancing gameplay without physical movement. With these tips, you can fully engage in Pokémon Go using spoofing tools, enjoying the experience from wherever you are. So, we showed the most effective ways to play Pokémon Go without moving. While you might have to try a lot of tools for Android location spoofing, the best iOS location spoofer is Dr. Phone Virtual Location. Thumbs up if you like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye.